Hi again. Second unboxing. Don't mind the dog fur. It gets everywhere. I don't know what order this is going to go up, but this is my second unboxing for today. Again, I'm super backed up because I went on a month-long vacation. I'm not complaining. I'm complaining that it wasn't long enough. So anyway, this is the 2018 Designer Mystery Block of the Month. And this is block 4 called Coffee Date, designed by Carla Astanach, Susan Kendrick, and Lisa Burnett of Sweetwater. And it looks like a star. They always have that same focal point in the middle. And I made one block and I've cut the rest to get when I'm ready to put them all together. Again, I'm super behind. So I'm really liking this. I might do this series in a different color way because it's okay, but I like it a more punch a color. So this is my unboxing for this month 4. Again, I'm really liking this. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.